channel right now, I'm gonna have the same outfit on for the next couple videos. So just give me outfit warning. But Gwan, Goodie, it is your girl City Static, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the Goodie gang. This video was supposed to be my first YouTube short, but there's nothing short about this video. It's more than 60 seconds. Oh, freak, someone's calling me. I hate when people call while I'm recording. So here's a really quick tutorial on how to roll your splizzies with nails. Okay, I did these press-ons myself. Before we get into the video, make sure you like and make sure you subscribe. All right. First thing you want to do is make sure you grind your butt. I got some mimosa punch right here, and I have my ooze grinder. Not sponsored, but if you're trying to sponsor me, I'm here. Send me an email. I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna put some flour inside. So I'm gonna ground this flour, not super fine, but not super chunky. We're gonna get like a good medium. So now you're gonna take your organic raw hemp. I say that because I'm not even looking at the camera. Hey, I say this because this is like the toughest raw paper I've ever rolled with. It still burns great, but I mean, it's just so malleable and it doesn't tear easy. So with these sharp things, this is the best to roll with, in my opinion. I'm gonna take a sheet, crush it up. Now you're gonna open it up. And I like to crush it because it makes the paper, again, more flexible, more malleable. So it's easy to work with, right? And so I'm gonna take my bud. I'm gonna use my rolling paper thing. And then I take it and put the bud in and shape it. You can put in all the bud or a little bit. I'm gonna put in all the bud and then I'm gonna add and take out whatever I need. But the power is all in your fingertips, all right, y'all? The nails will help, but the fingertips is where it's at, right? So depending on the shape of your splizzy, it's going for a cone shape right here, a little uneven. I'm gonna take some out, right? Now we have everything set up. And now you're gonna use your fingertips and you're going to roll. Try not to get your nails in the way, focus on your fingertips. And there you guys have it, a rolled split with long nails. So you guys can say whatever you want about how I rolled. It lights, and if it pulls, well, it definitely does pull. So, it definitely does pull.